Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you delete post on BeReal app. So at first make sure that you already have an account in BeReal app. Now just go to the BeReal app. Now into the BeReal app, select the post that you want to delete. After selecting the post, click on the top right three dot icon here. Now just select the last option here, delete my BeReal. Now you can just select a reason that why you want to delete your BeReal, or you can just click on the last option here in the bottom, yes I'm sure. After selecting it, here you can see delete option, the red one, click on it. Here you can see your BeReal post is deleted. So guys, that's how you can delete BeReal post. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.